You know, when we first spoke last week, my situation was the same. And now, when we are speaking again after 5 days, sir, my situation, my health condition has deteriorated. You know, it takes 5 days to heal, but it's taking me more than 5 days. In fact, it's deteriorating even further. I just had a cough. I just had a cold when we spoke first. Now I have cough, I have breathing issues, and I can't even breathe properly. And if I want to go out and get, fresh air, I can't do that because there is no fresh air. Chirag Sethi.
See, Deepak, if you have to stay in Delhi, you have to wear this mask. This is what Bhajpa has given you. Why? Because they can blame it to Delhi. What about Noida? What about Gurgaon? What about the cities? Top 80 cities are from India when we talk about pollution. And you're very brave, you're talking about this. Most of the channels have blacked it out. This government has not prepared anything. This is the government of fraudsters. Why I'm saying that? The Mukhyamantri that says AQI is temperature, how will she tackle pollution? I will ask you something. How will they how they're fudging the data? I'll tell you. I have been to Anand Vihar. Just around the AQI monitor, they had trucks which were sprinkling water. That's how the AQI was coming down. What were they doing? At the night of Diwali, they shut down the AQI monitors, and there is data 6 hours. The AQI monitor was shut down, and it is right in the papers. But nobody will ask questions about this, that how this AQI is coming down to 450, because they are fudging the data. Now they're just not fudging the data. They are playing with the health of small kids who are going to the schools because they cannot implement Grab because the values are wrong. Mr. Anil Gupta is killing children. His party is killing children because they have to go to the schools. I'll tell you, you go and pick up any PM 2.5 monitor. I challenge Mr. Anil Gupta. He comes with me. I'll show him the PM 2.5 levels of 800 in the heart of the city. But he will not agree to all this because he is from a party which only knows how to lie. Now they have four engines in Delhi. They have a government in Haryana. They have a government in Uttar Pradesh. Now they can't even blame stubble burning. Stubble burning is down by 95%. Now, Punjab is not burning any stubble. Haryana is not burning any stubble. Now it's their lack of working towards the betterment of health for Delhi. The Singapore High Commission has to now issue a statement. Now, as per Mr. Anil Gupta, cigarette smoking, nobody will kill cigarette smoking. Nobody kills cigarettes. If you smoke a cigarette, you will never die because the cause will never be you die of cigarette smoking. The cause will be you died of bronchitis, you died of a heart attack, you died of a severe asthma attack. But who will tell all these things to them? Because no channel wants to debate on this. People like Dr. Anil Gupta, who prefix a doctor but tells that smoking will not kill you, what can you expect out of them? My sincere request to you is please see what is happening in the city today.